Hi, and welcome to Craftin' Things. My name is Samantha. I'm the Adult Services Librarian at the Winona Public Library, and today we are going to make some paper flowers. So here are your supplies that you'll need for today. You will need 2 pieces of 4x10 origami paper. If you got the craft kit will include 4 pieces to make 2 flowers. A paper straw. You can also use a pen if you have that at home. Again, the craft kit will include 2 of these to make 2 flowers. Then you will also need double-sided tape. And then you will need to supply scissors. And it is optional to supply tape. So to get started, you're going to take one of your 4x10 pieces of paper. You're going to fold it hot dog style, so fold it in half the long way. Okay, and now you're going to take your scissors and you're going to start cutting really thin strips about 3/4 of the way down, not all the way through the paper. And it does not matter how thin or thick your little strips are. You're just going to want to just add a little fringe to your paper. Okay, so once you're done cutting, you're going to unfold. You're going to take your double-sided tape and you're going to put strips of it across the top and bottom of your paper. So you'll take your first strip and you'll just put it along the top like so. And you can do one long strip, or you can do multiple strips of double-sided tape. I have found that it's easier to do multiple strips of the double-sided tape rather than to do one long one, just because you're dealing with really sticky stuff. Okay, and then once you have the top, you're going to want to go ahead and do the bottom. And then you're going to take it and you're going to flip it over and line them up and stick it together. And do the best that you can to match up everything. Alright, so then you have your first strip of paper done. And take your second piece of paper and you're going to do the same exact thing again. Alright, now that you have your 2 pieces of paper all fringed and ready to go, I should note that sometimes they will try and come apart fairly easily, so that just means you need to press and hold a little bit more. Now that you have the 2 of them, you're going to put tape at the bottom of each one. So not on the fringe side, but on the other side that doesn't have the fringe. You're just going to double side tape one side of the flower. Alright, and then go ahead and do the other piece. Alright, now you're going to take your straw and you're going to take the bottom of your tape, or your tape, and put it at the top of the straw. You're going to just roll it, okay? And you can pick what color you want to put on the inside and the outside. That's totally up to you. Alright, so this is the inside of my flower. Next I'm going to take my second layer and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to put it at the bottom where my green ended. And I'm just going to start rolling it around. Okay. Once we have it all wrapped and good to go, here is my flower. All nice and cute. You can fluff it up, by pressing down on it a little bit or going like this, and that's going to fluff up your flower just a smidgen. Just like that. Right, and one thing that is optional, you don't have to do it if you don't want to, or if you don't have Scotch tape at home, you don't have to do it, but I would recommend it, is just taking a small piece of Scotch tape and just putting it along the bottom here, where your roll ended. And that's because it can sometimes come loose. But there you go. Here is my paper flower. Thank you for watching, Craftin'. Thanks, we'll see you next time.